Do you like your kitchen? What are you making?
Food.
What kind of food?
Great.
You're making grapes? Oh, you're fancy. What else are you making?
Oh, where's the grape?
I don't know. Where'd you put the grapes? Oh, I think the grapes fell on the floor already. Turn around. Nope.
That's Gabby, right?
Yeah, that's Mabby. Who's Mabby? Who gets Mabby?
Hearing.
Right. Turn around. Your grapes are in the front of the kitchen.
In the front? Yeah.
What's in the pot right now?
The grapes.
And
Strawberry.
right. Oh, and what?
Orange.
I'm videoing. Hi.
I put the cheese in it.
Oh, you put cheese in with the fruit?
Yeah.
Yummy.
We put this in here. I put this in here.
And something else?
And this.
What's that?
Bar.
A bar?
Maybe this too.
Wow, Ben, that's a big old plate of food.
I will cook it.
Okay, cook it. Put it on the stove.
Where's the stove?
Right there. No. That's the oven.
Is it?
Stove is right here.
No.
You gonna put it in the oven?
Yeah.
Okay, say Merry Christmas to Mama.
Merry Christmas.
Love you.